This isn't a clothing factory. This is where fabric becomes technology. Every second, thousands of threads move together perfectly. No hands, no guessing. Only machines making decisions. These rolls aren't just fabric. They're loaded with intelligence. Inside these threads, data is already moving. And one tiny defect here can destroy everything. This factory never shuts down, not even at night. Because smart fabric demand is exploding worldwide. Hospitals, athletes, defense systems, all rely on this material. And it all begins with a single fiber. Smart textiles start as advanced synthetic fibers. Some stretch, some carry electricity. Conductive fibers are the nervous system of the fabric. They're thinner than human hair. But powerful enough to transmit signals. These fibers arrive in massive industrial spools. Every spool is scanned and verified by AI. Nothing enters production without approval. Thickness, tension, conductivity, everything is measured. Only flawless fibers move forward. This is where weaving becomes science. Threads are aligned with microscopic precision. One wrong angle, traction, and the system fails. AI controls every single movement. Weaving speed changes thousands of times per minute. Conductive fibers form precise internal patterns. These patterns decide what the fabric can sense. Heat, pressure, motion, detected instantly. The intelligence is built into the weave itself. No chips added later, no shortcuts. This fabric already knows its purpose. Every meter is tracked in real time. Each roll has its own digital identity. If instability appears, AI stops everything instantly. Zero tolerance. Zero compromise. Because mistakes here are permanent. This fabric carries data before it even leaves the machine. Smooth, continuous, perfect. But weaving is only the beginning. Now it must survive reality. Every smart textile faces extreme testing. First, it's stretched to its limits. Then compressed, again and again. Next, heat and freezing temperatures. Washed hundreds of times. Sensors must still work flawlessly. Even under electrical interference. If it fails, it's rejected instantly. Only elite-grade fabric survives. That's why smart textiles aren't cheap. Because failure is not an option. Especially in medical environments. Or professional sports. Performance. Or tactical and defense applications. Every approved role earns certification. Logged, tracked, archived. From raw fiber to finished fabric. Nothing here is anonymous. Every meter tells a story. And now, it's ready to ship. Smart textiles are packaged like electronics, sealed to protect embedded systems. Every shipment is digitally monitored. These fabrics travel across the globe. And disappear into everyday clothing. You'll never see the technology. But you'll feel what it does. Better performance. Better health monitoring. Better protection. All starting from simple threads woven by machines. Controlled by artificial intelligence. This is the future of fabric. And this is how smart textiles are made.